Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is Lesson 8 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we'll be looking at food. Keep up the momentum you have accumulated, and let's keep learning. Let's start with today's lesson. Food. La nourriture. Meal. Le repas. Breakfast. Le petit déjeuner. Lunch. Le déjeuner. Dinner. Le dîner. Snack. La collation, le goûter. Appetizer. L'apéritif, l'entrée. Dessert. Le dessert. Drink. La boisson. Water. L'eau. Juice. Le jus. Milk. Le lait. Coffee. Le café. Air. Le thé. Wine. Le vin. Beer. La bière. That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Moving on to the next set. Bread. Le pain. Butter. Le beurre. Cheese. Le fromage. Egg. L'œuf. Meat. La viande. Chicken. Le poulet. Beef. Le bœuf. Pork. Le porc. Fish. Le poisson. Seafood. Les fruits de mer. Shrimp. La crevette. Crab. Le crabe. Lobster. Le homard. That is the next set. Once again, please rewind and revise as required. Moving on to the next set. Rice. Le riz. Pasta. Les pâtes. Noodles. Les nouilles. Potato. La pomme de terre. Salad. La salade. Soup. La soupe. Sauce. La sauce. Herb. L'herbe. Spice. L'épice. Salt. Le sel. Pepper. Spice. Le poivre. Sugar. Le sucre. Chocolate. Le chocolat. Candy. Le bonbon. Ice cream. La glace. Cake. Le gâteau. Miel. La table. Cookie. Le biscuit. Honey. Le miel. Jam. La confiture. That is the next set. Once again, please rewind and revise as required. Moving on to the next set. Sandwich. Le sandwich. Hamburger. Le hamburger. Pizza. La pizza. French fries. Les frites. Sausage. La saucisse. Bacon. Le bacon. Steak. Le steak. Ketchup. Le ketchup. Mustard. La moutarde. Mayonnaise. La mayonnaise. Vinegar. Le vinaigre. Oil. L'huile. Flour. La farine. Yeast. La levure. That concludes this video. Congratulations